Hi guys, so you can see my car is so filthy. I've been driving this thing like crazy, but two things I want to show you guys that I'm going to be using to wash my car and clean it. This is Mr. Pink. This is a solution that you can use for car washing, and this thing is a must to have. You know, this is called the absorber. I picked it up from Amazon, and this product is just amazing. So these two things, I'm going to go ahead and wash my car with this. I'm not going to go into detail how to wash your car. Of course, there are instructions over here that tells you how to wash, and you just need a little bit on 5-gallon bucket. Maybe fill it up half. Just drop it a few quantity of this. And this thing does a great job. The best part about this is it does not have any kind of wax. So, but anyways, let's talk about it a little bit later. So let me go ahead and wash my car, and you can see all the dirt and grime and all that stuff that I've been driving with like crazy. You'll see it all gone, and you'll see how shiny it gets once I wash it. So stay tuned. Okay, so I just washed my car and wiped it with that thing that I just showed you guys, and you can see no streaks at all. I mean, this thing is amazing. It does an outstanding job. Absorbs the water right away. No droplets at all. I mean, nothing at all. Just amazing. That thing just absorbs just right away. So I think I'll definitely give it a thumbs up. It's an amazing product. I've seen multiple on Amazon and even on eBay, but this one I'm glad I got it. I paid for it. It's not a free thing that I got, but I just wanted to leave an honest review on the product. It's just outstanding and amazing for you guys, enthusiasts out there who love your cars. Right now I have not waxed it, nothing at all. I just washed it, and for washing what I used is this product. It's called Mr. Pink, and this thing does not have any wax. I don't recommend you washing your car with wax stuff, because what it does is it leaves a small residue film on your car, which is a cheap wax basically, and it gets stuck to your body. So I don't recommend you using that product. This thing does not have any kind of wax. It's a clean shampoo, so it just takes the debris out of the car and just cleans it very nice and clean, so you don't have any residue or nothing. And your original wax that is on the car remains intact. So highly recommend both products. I think I love it. So if you guys like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.